Want to add your business location on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to add a Google Maps location link directly to your Instagram profile, step by step. First, make sure your Instagram app and Google Maps app are updated to the latest version. This helps avoid missing options or link issues. Now, open Google Maps and search for your business location or the place you want to add. Once you find it, tap on the location and swipe across the options until you see Share. Tap on Share, then select Copy to Clipboard to copy the Google Maps location link. After that, open Instagram and go to your profile page. Tap Edit Profile or Add Links, depending on your version of Instagram. Now select plus Add Link. In the title section, type your business name. Then paste the Google Maps link into the URL section. Once done, tap the check mark or Done in the top corner to save the changes. And that's it. Your business location is now added to your Instagram profile, so people can easily open your address directly from your bio. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.